You'll need vertical and square formats of video for TikTok, Facebook and Instagram. And here's a quick way to move between 16:9 to those square or vertical formats. And Final Cut Smart Conform is an automated way to quickly convert to those square or vertical formats. Let me show you how to do it. I've got a short 16:9 video here. Let's play a little bit so you can see it. I'll first convert it to a square format and then to vertical. Right-click on the project in the browser. Select Duplicate As. Name the new project Square and change the 1920-1080 to Square. Change the resolution to 1080 by 1080. And this next selection's the secret source. Click Smart Conform. It'll take a moment to sort it out. Now let's look at that square format. Now I'll scrub through the square video so you can see how well it's been converted. To see what's happened behind the scenes, select Transform and check the Overlay button. The bright area is where the Smart Conform is selected to put the square video, and the dark area is hidden from the square video. And as I scrub through, you can see how it's intelligently followed the main subject. And the main square can be adjusted by just dragging it in the viewer window. Let's now do the same thing and convert the 16:9 format into a vertical format. Select Duplicate As. Name the new project Vertical. Change the 1920-1080 to vertical. Change the resolution to 1080 by 1920. And don't forget to tick Smart Conform. Now let's open the new vertical project. And you may need to adjust the vertical version quite a bit more than the square. It's no doubt that Final Cut can do a lot, but you do need to know how to do it. I can help you make the most of your time and show you face to face how to master Final Cut. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and press the bell so I can make more like this for you.